Our blueberry buttermilk chocolate from Purdys Chocolatier starts with a light coat of shimmery blue cocoa butter sprayed into the molds. In another part of the factory, we're putting together some buttermilk, some wild Eastern Canadian lowbush blueberry juice, and our 100% sustainable chocolate. Once all of these things are ready, we deposit the chocolate into the mold, making a dark shell filled with that beautiful blueberry buttermilk center. Once the chocolates are made, the bubbles are gently removed by a hand and the chocolates are cooled. The chocolates are tapped out of the mold and put into packages for you to enjoy. Celebrate this Eastern Canada flavor with our wild blueberry buttermilk.